So guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to again show the I will going to explore the new house. As you can see over here. No, in the next video I will explore the new house, and in this video I'm going to show the secrets. I am going to show you the secrets in the houses in the livetopia, like when you are doing something like swimming or doing some secrets pop up. So every time in liftopia some secrets pop up from here or there. So these are the secrets which I have found, not seen from Google, not seen from YouTube, nowhere. I have found them myself, and one is in the metro station, and the other one I found in the last update. So yes, no, I don't think so. Yeah, last to last update. Update 9 home. Yes, I'm sure update 9 home. So here's a new house. It's called review this new house and explore this and see the secrets of this new house. So I need to remove this. Look at the settings and just set it to 0. Okay, and I will resume. Okay, so back to another video, and today I'm going to go to the new house is there. And where's the metro station? Metro station, where are you? Oh, there's a new bus in this thing. So there's a bus station over there. And where is the metro? Yep. Here we go with the metro. First, I think we will go to the metro. Here, the barber shop. And this metro. And after going inside this metro, we will just take a car and go to the sighting. And over there, you will see a short thing, type of something service area. Inside the door, if you go, that's not a service area. It will be a surprise. Now let's go. And my speed has been into after getting into this. As you know, inside metro you get to 6 speed. So now let's go. What is this? This board is a new board. Oh, in 1 minute the metro will come. Okay, so I will go just jump over here and jump on the other side, and I will run and go over there. Otherwise, what I can do is take a vehicle. I can see that place, so no need of vehicle. See over there, you see a small hole over there, this side on the top of a mouse over here. That is a place. I saw it once I was going from this metro, and from the metro I saw something secret. So I will just, what I will do, go inside that, and I will show you the secret. So let's go inside that. I'm just taking our time. This is so far. This is so slow. I need to take a car, but metro can come anytime, so I can't take a car right now because metro is at the, I don't think metro will be arriving at the oceanarium. So after the oceanarium, this is the second place. Oh, someone else had come over here. I didn't got that idea. Hey, see, I told you, metro can come anytime, and the metro is here. Arey, why? Why am I not able to do this? And what I need to do is go over here, and I went in this exit and just go over this side, and there you go. Some glitch had happened just now. Yes, and here you will see an ocean. So you saw the ocean, and over there you see one more way. You need to just go over there. You can camp over here, do whatever you want, and just go inside that. My game is lagging a bit because I'm making a video currently. That's why my game will lag a bit. And what need to go? Here's again. You get the room over there. 1 minute. There is something up. I saw something up here also. Yes, this is the thing I saw over here. And when I went up here, It threw me over there, something like it threw me to the it got me to the church, church in this game. So it got me to the church. And now we will throw it upwards over here. And let's go. It will stuck a little bit. And let's go. We will jump. And here we go. And here we are. You all guys got confused because what happened just now was I was stuck beneath this and I went jump. I got over this floor and here we go. And if you want to go again inside that, we can just press E, and after pressing the way we came out, we can go the way in like this. Woo! So we came in, and now there was another way like this over here. Yeah, right over here, as you can see. And I need this just over there. Yep, got it. Okay, so there we are over here, and there's again a secret place over here. As you can see, we are there. And here are some knives and some pizzas to do party, and let's go to another place. Yep. Oh, so I think something is there. If you remove this, a secret room will come here. I have not explored this. No, no, nothing is there. We need to, I think, nothing is there. I got a book, magical book, I think so. No, not at all magical. And again down. Woo! Yep. And guys, again here the exit. If you go here, exit. I saw something rod, but I didn't went over there. That rod thing, and it went over there. Yup. So this is open. You need to first close it. See, if you have closed it, it will look like this, like it's a cold drink area. And if someone taps on it, it cuts open as a magical door. And here we go. This is a secret mafia place. We need to close this door, otherwise some people will come and not see my video and get to know the secret place. So guys, watch this video, okay, till the end. So this rod I told you about, that I didn't know where does this go. Where does this rod go? Whoa, is a secret place or what? Oh wow! Oh my god! This over here, I have got to the beachside station. When I get over there, oh my god, it's wonderful. I didn't knew that this road went to the beachside station, but no problem. And again we go over here. We are back from the beachside station. Job, it's very good and helpful. Now guys, thank you for watching this video, but I will not end it right now. So please be there guys. I need to open a house and tell you what is the secret thing. Okay, so guys, I need to just go to a free house. Yes, I will teleport over here and he's going to buy it. Before him, I need to buy it and just go to this house and this building. Okay, after confirming this building, I will set it to, as always, owner only, to click, and it is set to owner only. And now what I have to do is to get the secret place over here. I just have to go over here and over here, as you can see, over here there was a secret door here somewhere. Where has it gone? Don't remember. Yup, here. So over here, if you go, you see a room. This everyone knows, but the thing that no one knows is this carpet will get out and water will come. I will show you in a minute. If I click on this E, then you see this carpet went out after clicking on this photo over here, as you can see, this water came here, and if I again click on it, no, I can click from here. So this water came, and then what happens is we go inside this water, and we need to go in first person view and go down and click that light blue button. You just need to click E, and as you can see, a secret way opens to this side, and we need to again go to first person view, and we the secret vault. As you can see, now we'll go up this side. No, what's this? Last time there was a secret vault over here. I found. Oh, I see. It's over there. Okay, so we need to climb these ladders. There we go. This is the vault. And from here we get money. Yep, this is my vault. This is my own house, so I can rob it, right? Yep. So guys, this much only for this video. In the next video, I will review the new house which has come in livetopia, and don't forget to see it. And please buy that house, take that house, and enjoy your life with that. So guys, subscribe my channel, like this video. Bye guys, have a nice day guys.